In addition to this, I have the possibility to create very particular effects with those that are determined in the velocity scales. The speed scales are a little different than what we've seen right now. We set them like this, speed scale, and we find it below. You see he's telling me 100, 100, 100, so I didn't change anything at all. Related on star object nothing, interpolation nothing, text maps there is absolutely nothing. But what is it that changes this effect? It is the presence of an auxiliary object, which in this case is precisely a box that I have inserted. And I modified. We do it together on our EG scale velocity. The box in question is this one that is present. This box has already been animated. So I have already animated this box as a very simple position. Auto key, he moves. What will I do? I'm going to go directly inside the area, not the text map. Because this isn't a map. It's like saying a proximity object that affects my particles and their scale accordingly. Pick. Okay, when I move, see what he does. This is a very important condition, in the sense that it refers to all the axes. So x, y and z. If I see from my scale velocity here too, I can modify the axes. In this case I put it on the z. Let's go directly to this location. Since the parameters are so many, it is obvious that we first see them like this. You see x, y, z change these slightly, for example only on the x these. Only on the y these, only on the z, then you have to move away even a moment. To see how they behave during their effect, we obviously have a distance that I can enter, so if I say look distance 100, distance 10, and so on, I'm going to modify the slices. Look, I have 150, so we can increase the distance. Directly in this location, how can we increase the fall-off, that is the fall? Remember, every time you hear fall-off, it means that it is a nuance of the event, therefore of the effect in question, both on an axis and on the xy, only on the z, so they are the reference axes for P. Here, as always, it refers to the tops, refers to the well-groomed faces, it refers to the face hybrids, and so on. Then there is also noise. The noise is going to create a mess for me. Because obviously it is a noise that I insert within this simulation. Noise may have a more important interaction or a less important interaction. I tell him, for example, the minimum is 1. Because if I say 0 he doesn't take it, and if I tell him 3 you have that he breaks down. Anyway, and therefore also, these are all the values that we can enter to go and modify the effect. In question is obviously our discretion. We also have the frequency of this noise, so it is enough to change here to 50%, 100%, so it affects or affect only 50% or 80% if I want to see them more present. If they I say 120 and I tell him 100, obviously we have already reached the maximum error. Very important thing in this type of simulation, it is the fact of being set on the logic of scale to scale. Speed, because if I say in a previous look at what he is doing, I detach it for a moment, then I'll take it away. Let's go for a moment out of 100 people like this, and here we still have, let's say, a effect. However, if we also do it, I will also innovate. For example, car operators so as not to do. You will realize that with the simple ladder, it is not easy to create this object at the same time. I say proximity multiply Pike, you take me this element, he moves. Okay, I say for example here on the Z I see absolutely nothing, so I start to mess up a bit. I tell him I'm going to disable these, so it's not the correct item. You still have to be on an area of speed. I go to give him the opportunity then to go and view precisely the particles, because otherwise he does not see them, and in some possibilities that are, for example, absolute and so on, we can create, you see, the animation. But in some choices that are indifferent from what the speed when we move the object, we see that it moves. When we then create the keys, etc., the particles no longer move, so my advice is to stay, for example, on a speed scale.